ENGWE's Engine Pro lineup has been extremely popular over the years, and the new Engine Pro 3.0 boost brings some genuinely meaningful upgrades over previous generations. The biggest one is up to 90 Nm of torque that can be unleashed with the integrated boost button. There is also the new built-in smart module, which adds anti-theft protection, GPS tracking, and a whole set of smart features through the app. On top of that, ENGWE says the bike is now 20% stronger, it has improved suspension, offers more range, and a fast 2-hour charging. So let's take a closer look and see if this foldable fat tire e-bike is actually worth your attention. The bike arrives in a pretty standard size box, and everything inside is packed neatly and securely. My unit arrived with zero transportation damage, which is always a good sign. Inside the box, you'll find all the parts needed for assembly, a basic toolset, an 8-amp fast charger with a cable, 2 keys for the removable battery, and the usual paperwork. ENGWE also includes some nice extras like an air pump and 2 sets of brake pads, which is always great to see. Assembly is straightforward and it takes around 20 minutes. And if you're interested in picking this bike for yourself, check out the links and show notes in the video description down below. When it comes to design, the Engine Pro 3.0 follows the familiar foldable fat tire e-bike formula just like the previous generation and most bikes in this category. It's fully foldable, which makes transportation and storage much easier. What you notice immediately though is the overall build quality. The choice of materials, the paint finish, the welds, and the components all feel very refined. The Engine Pro 2.0 was already a well-built bike, but this new version feels even more polished. The fit and finish are clearly improved, and it really shows how far ENGWE has come in terms of the manufacturing quality. The bike rolls on 20x4-inch fat tires with dual sport tread pattern. This makes them a good all-round option. They work well on asphalt and pavement, while still being capable enough for forest paths and light off-road riding. These are not aggressive off-road tires, but they are very versatile and efficient. The bike features a full suspension system, and one of the major upgrades here is the improved connection points with bearings. This solves the dry rotation issue found on some older designs and results in smoother suspension movement and stronger structural integrity. ENGWE claims up to 55% improvement in damping performance, and I'll talk more about how that feels in real riding conditions later in the video. Power comes from a 250-watt rear hub motor to comply with EU regulations, making this bike road legal in Europe. There is no throttle, again, to meet EU requirements. But despite the modest wattage on paper, this is a very powerful setup. The motor delivers up to 90 Nm of torque, which is an excellent number for a hub motor in this category. The bike also features a torque sensor, which measures how hard you pedal and adjusts motor assistance accordingly. This results in a much more natural and responsive riding experience compared to cadence-only systems. The removable battery is lockable with a key and uses a 48-volt system with a 15-amp-hour capacity. Inside, you get high-quality Samsung cells. One of the standout features here is the included 8-amp fast charger, which allows you to charge the battery from 0 to full in around 2 hours. Most e-bikes in this category ship with slow 2 or 3 amp chargers, so this is a big advantage in everyday use. Other key features include high-quality metal pedals, a sturdy kickstand, a robust rear rack, adjustable seat height, and an adjustable handlebar stem. The front light is very bright and it works well for night riding, and there is also a bright rear light for added visibility. You also get the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes on the front and back, and comfortable handlebar grips with anti-twist locking. The brake levers feel solid and they are easy to press. On the handlebar, you'll find the dedicated boost button, which gives you an extra surge of power while riding. I'll talk more about how that works in practice in the riding section. There is also a clean control cluster and a very nice TFT display. It's bright, colorful, and clearly higher quality than you would typically see on fat tire e-bikes. The display shows real-time speed, battery level, assist level, odometer, trip distance, ride time, and average and maximum speed, and other key information. You can also choose between 5 pedal assist levels or turn the assistance off completely. Overall, it is one of the nicest displays in this category. There is also a built-in electric horn and it is pretty loud. Here is a quick audio test. One of the biggest upgrades on the ENGWE Pro 3.0 Boost is the built-in smart module that works together with the ENGWE app. This module enables GPS tracking, motion detection, and keyless unlocking, all forming a comprehensive anti-theft protection system. If someone tries to move or steal your bike, the alarm will trigger and you'll receive an instant notification on your phone. Thanks to the built-in GPS, you can always see the exact location of your bike and track it remotely if it is being moved. You can also remotely trigger the alarm to deter a potential thief. The ENGWE app is packed with features. You can lock or unlock the bike, control the pedal assist levels, turn the lights on or off, view detailed trip data, record rides, and discover routes. There are also more advanced settings, including inductive unlocking, which automatically unlocks the bike when your phone is nearby. There are also movement alarms, password protection, firmware updates, charging current adjustment, battery health monitoring, and more. Overall, it's a very complete and well-implemented app, and it works smoothly with the integrated smart module. As soon as you start riding the ENGWE Pro 3.0 Boost, you can immediately feel that 90 Nm of torque. When you press that boost button, the power is fully unleashed, and it is especially noticeable when climbing hills. Just tap the button and the bike pulls hard and confidently uphill. Even though it's officially a 250-watt motor, the combination of high torque and the boost function makes this bike feel far more powerful than the numbers suggest. It can easily rival much higher rated e-bikes in real-world riding. Riding the bike is genuinely fun across different types of terrain. The tires perform well on forest paths and light off-road trails while still being efficient and quiet on asphalt. Compared to aggressive off-road tires, they produce less noise and consume less battery on paved roads. The torque sensor reacts instantly as soon as you start pedaling with no noticeable delay. The motor feels punchy, responsive, and smooth. Out of the box, the speed is limited to 25 km per hour to comply with EU regulations, but you can pedal beyond that manually if you want. Even at higher speeds, the bike feels stable and planted, and it remains easy to control. The Shimano 7-speed gears shift smoothly and reliably. The suspension is one of the highlights here. It is easily among the best you'll find in the fat tire e-bike category. The upgraded bearing-based connection points make a real difference, working together with the rear shock and the front fork to absorb bumps more effectively. The ride feels smoother, more controlled, and more comfortable over uneven surfaces. The suspension tuning hits a nice middle ground. It's not too soft and not too stiff, which makes it suitable for both city riding and rougher terrain. The hydraulic brakes are excellent. They stop the bike quickly and confidently without squeaking even under hard braking. Overall, the riding experience is very impressive. This is easily one of the best performing fat tire e-bikes in its class, and the boost-assisted torque really defines how capable and fun this bike feels. ENGWE officially claims up to 130 km of range on a single charge. As always, that figure is optimistic. In real-world riding, I was able to achieve around 90 to 100 km in eco mode, which is still a very impressive result. This comes down to efficient power management, high-quality Samsung battery cells, and the torque sensor working together to optimize energy usage. If you ride in the highest assist levels and use the boost button frequently, the range will drop, just like with any e-bike. The battery is easy to remove, locks securely with a key, and it can be charged either on or off the bike. The included 8-amp fast charger is a standout feature here, allowing a full charge in around 2 hours, which is a huge convenience in daily usage. The ENGWE ENGWE Pro 3.0 Boost is a clear step forward for the ENGWE Pro lineup. It builds on an already popular platform and improves it in almost every meaningful way. You get excellent build quality, a powerful and responsive riding experience, one of the best suspension setups in the fat tire category, and a genuinely useful smart module with real anti-theft features. The high torque motor combined with a boost button makes this bike feel far more powerful than its EU legal rating suggests, while the torque sensor keeps the ride natural and efficient. Add to that the large Samsung cell battery and the included fast charger, and you get a bike that's not only fun to ride, but also very practical in everyday use. If you're looking for a foldable fat tire e-bike that feels refined, Powerful and packed with modern features, the ENGWE Engine Pro 3.0 Boost is easily one of the strongest options available on the market right now. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this e-bike? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.